Hello everyone, this is Declaration and I'm here to bring you my next project. So I finally decided to do a Copart auction build. So here it is, everyone. My now 2005 Harley Sportster 883. Managed to pick this up for a really good deal from Copart. It was flooded, so I'm gonna figure out how to check, see if there's water in the engine. I've already checked and shown that there's water in the oil. So right here, if you look, it's real milky. You can tell that there's definitely water in the oil. So first things first, I'm definitely gonna flush all the fluids. But I also want to pull the spark plugs and get a borescope down into each one of these cylinders right here and see if there's water at the top of the cylinder. Worst case scenario, pull the engine and replace it with a new engine, and it still turn up being cheaper than getting buying one of these used. So not a bad deal. So yeah, it's kind of, you can tell there's a lot of moisture in this tail light right here, and in the headlight you can tell it got flooded pretty good. As you can see, there's standing water in the headlight assembly. So we'll see what's going on and just go step by step and kind of pull this thing apart. First things first, the battery is dead. So I need to pull the battery and put it on a tender and see if it works. And after that, we'll move forward. All right, first things first, we're gonna pull this battery right here because I need to charge it because it's completely dead. Maybe I can charge it, maybe I'm not. I may have to replace it, but we'll see. So now I got the battery out. What I'm gonna do, I check the voltage on it right now, and then if the voltage is anywhere feasible, I will put it on a trickle charger and see what happens. All right, the battery's reading 4.9 volts. Highly doubt that this will be able to be charged, but we'll see. I will put it on a trickle charger and see if we can actually get some voltage. Guys, I went and got another battery because that battery was way too dead to be recharged. So got an AutoZone battery. Someone put that in, and right now I'm just gonna see what accessories still work and what don't work when I apply voltage back to the bike. Hi guys. So this next part, I wanted to do kind of like a time lapse because there's a lot of things that has to get pulled apart when I'm stripping down a bike to make sure that there's no issues. So I just kind of gone through and just this time lapse you're gonna see is me tearing down, taking the gas tank off, tearing down the valve covers, taking those off, and just going through and inspecting everything to make sure that it's ready for me to put fluids back in it and try and start it. So enjoy the quick time lapse. See you later. All right, guys. Now that I'm done tearing down the bike, what we're gonna do is I'm going to start. I've got a pile of replacement parts right here, and time to start rebuilding it. And hopefully, I'll get a start in this episode. So, cross our fingers. But appreciate you guys for subscribing, watching my videos. If you have any questions or any comments or any content that you'd like to see, don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.